Let's continue with revision of O-level mathematics papers. O-level mathematics papers. And we are looking at polygons. We are looking at polygons. The teacher has chosen this question. The teacher has chosen this question, which is question number 11 of November 2014. Question number 11 of November 2014. Take note, we are going to make use of formula n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degrees. This is a formula that is used to calculate the total of all interior angles of a polygon. This gives us the total number of degrees inside a polygon. Take note of this. Our question says the sum of the interior angles of an n-sided polygon is 6,120. Find the value of n, right? This is the total sum of all interior angles. So we're going to use this formula, since this gives us the total of all interior angles. So we can safely say on our question 11b, n minus 2 multiplied by 180 gives us 6,120. We are to find the value of n. Take note, I said this formula gives us the total or the summation of all interior angles of an n-sided polygon. And we are told the sum of interior angle of an n-sided polygon is 6,120. Find the value of n. We form an equation in n and solve. This is what we do. So for us to find the value of n, we start by dividing both sides by 180, right? These two will cancel. We will remain with n minus 2. This equals 2. What is 612 divided by 18? What is 612 divided by 18? 612 divided by 18. What do we get? We get 34. Alright, what is the value of n? This one is a simple equation. You can safely say n is equals to 34 plus 2. Our n is equals to what? 36. This one is done. So part B of our question is done. Let's proceed to part C of our question, which says if three of the angles of a heptagon are 162, 150, and 132, and the rest of the angles are equal, calculate the size of each of the equal angles. Right? This is part B of our question. Part B of our question. I'll probably use blue color to differentiate it. Right? We are told about heptagon. Heptagon is a shape with seven sides. Take note, heptagon has 7 sides. So what we're going to do, first of all, we're going to find the total number or the summation of all interior angles, or the total of the inside angles or interior angles of this heptagon, a 7-sided shape. We'll use the same formula, n minus 2 multiplied by 180, to calculate the total of all interior angles. So since n, the number of sides, is 7, so we have 7 minus 2 multiplied by 180. 7 minus 2 is a 5. So 5 multiplied by 180, right? What do we get is our total? We get 900 degrees. So in other words, the total of all inside or interior angles added together, we get 900 degrees. And we are told 3 of the angles are 162 and 150 and 132, right? So the other angles are equal. The other remaining are equal. This shape is 7 sides. It means it has 7 interior angles. And of the 7 interior angles, we are given 3 interior angles, 162, 150, and 432. So the other 4 angles are remaining. So each of the 4 angles, we can call it x, so that all the 4 angles are represented by the 4x. If each angle is x, the 4 remaining are 4x, because each and every one of those are equal. So we can safely form an equation and say 162 plus 150 plus 132 plus 4x, the remaining 4 angles which are equal. This gives us 900. This is right. So if we sum all this up, we get these 3 given angles. If we sum them up, we get 444 degrees plus 4x is equals to what? 900. So we'll say 4x is equals to 900 less 444. We are going to have 4x is equals to, what is 900 less 444? What is 900 less 444? We get 456. We divide both sides by coefficient of x. What is each angle? 456 divided by the 4 angles which are equal each. We get 114 degrees. So in other words, the question says calculate the size of each equal angle. Each equal angle remaining of the 4 is 114 degrees. This is the value of each equal angle. So take note, I'll sum up part C of our question. I'll sum up part C of, this is part C of our question. You first find the total number of degrees inside the heptagon. Of the total number of degrees inside is 900, we subtract the total of all 3 given angles. The 3 given angles added together, they give us 444. So we can safely say 900 less 444, we'll get 456 remaining. If all remaining angles are equal, there are 4 angles which are remaining and they are equal, we can now safely divide the 456 degrees remaining, we divide by the 4 angles. And what we get is 114 for each remaining angle. This is the answer. So can you try and work out all other remaining angles following the teacher's example? You can visit my YouTube channel and Facebook page by the name Mathematics Made Simple for more information. You can as well contact the teacher on the given phone numbers and email address and book for your online or one-to-one lessons. Thank you very much. Have a good day.